Using Presto card in Canada is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Presto card in Canada. So as we know, Presto card is actually a Metro Links or a transit card which allows you to travel by having some money into Presto card. So how can you use it? Using it is actually pretty easy. You just have to add some money into it, which you can do it online, which you can do it by visiting to their website, or there are customer service at the metro stations. You can ask them to recharge it for you. So you can add some money into it. After adding some money, you just have to sit into the bus. Whenever you are or you want to sit into the bus, you will see a payment option, something like that. You just have to tap your card on the this scanner. What it will do is it will scan the card. You just have to hop on the bus, travel some miles. Whenever you get off, there should be option or a payment feature, something like that there as well. So you just have to tap your card again. It will tell them that you are off the bus now. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to use it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.